Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 5 and today we will present about irregular income. This is our group member consists of Baimana Lelatus Hajat Budian, Melisa Putri Afifah and also me Salsa Mahadila Laura. And here our table of contents, that is definition of irregular incomes, overtime salary, THR and also bonus salary. For the first material will be explained by Baina. To Baina, time is yours.
Okay, so hi everyone. Now we are going to talk about the definition and calculation of irregular income. The definition of irregular income is wages or salaries that received irregularly by an employee or other income recipient, such as bonus, THR or any other specific payment in any specific period, overtime wages, and etc. So in here, we already understand the meaning of irregular income itself is the income that we receive irregularly. After we understand about the definition of irregular income, now we are going to know how to calculate it. There are a few steps here to calculate irregular income. The first one is to calculate PPH Article 21 on salary or other income in a year. After that, we calculate PPH Article 21 on salary and another income along with irregular income. After that, we calculate PPH Article 21 above irregular income that will be calculated with the decrease from 0.1 and 0.2. And in order to understand more about this calculation, we need to see some of the kinds of irregular income along with the examples that me and my friends are going to present here. Overtime salary is one of the kind of irregular income. So what is the meaning of overtime salary? What is the definition of it? Overtime salary is a compensation that we receive for working beyond normal working hours, or in Indonesian, we call it as waktu lembur. For the instance, if there is an employee working for 50 hours, and the standard work week is about 40 hours, that means that employee is having extra 10 hours as the overtime. So from that extra 10 hours, the employee is going to receive a salary, and that salary is called as overtime salary. In here, I already give you one of the case example of overtime salary from Mr. Ahmed. In here, Mr. Ahmed is working as an employee in PT XXX in Pekanbaru, with the details that he is married but has no children. And he is having monthly salary for about 9,500,000 rupiah. And then he is paying his pension contribution every month for 50,000 rupiah. And then he is having NPWP. And in January, he is receiving an overtime salary for about 3 million rupiah. With the details, we are going to calculate the overtime salary and the taxation of overtime salary from Mr. Ahmed. The first step is we need to determine the amount of gross income. The gross income is coming from the total of basic salary plus overtime salary for Mr. Ahmed. We know that the salary of Mr. Ahmed every month is 9,500,000 rupiah, and then 3 million rupiah as his overtime salary. So we just need to calculate it, and the total of it is considered as gross income. And then after we get the gross income, we need to determine the allowable deduction. And the allowable deduction of Mr. Ahmed is about 550,000 rupiah. And where is that amount coming from? Is from position fees and pension contribution. And we already see here that Mr. Ahmed pays his pension contribution every month for about 50,000 rupiah. And his position fees is 500 rupiah. And maybe you are wondering where is the position fees is coming from. Basically, in order to can get the amount of position fees, we need to multiply 5% to the gross income. But actually, if we calculate 5% to the gross income of Mr. Ahmed, we are going to get 925,000 rupiah. So why we calculate 500,000 as the position fees of Mr. Ahmed? Because there is a rule, as I already put some of the notes here, that the maximum amount of position fees is just 500,000 rupiah. So if you are calculating the position fees amount of an employee by multiplied the gross income by 5% of the salary, if you get the amount for more than 500,000 rupiah, you just need to calculate the position fees as 500,000 rupiah because the maximum amount of position fees is 500,000 rupiah. That's why we put the position fees of Mr. Ahmed is 500,000 rupiah. And then we already got the allowable deduction of Mr. Ahmed. After that, we need to determine the net income. So after we got the amount of net income, we need to calculate the annual net income by multiply the net income by the 12 months. And after that, finally, we can calculate the taxable income. With the details, and we already get the amount of the calculation of taxable income from Mr. Ahmed. Now we are going to calculate PPH, the net income of Mr. Ahmed by using Article 17, Paragraph 1. And after the calculation, so that's the amount of the overtime salary of Mr. Ahmed. So that's all for me and the explanation for the definition of irregular income and also overtime salary. And after that, the material will be continued by Melissa.
Hi Matt, how are you? I hope you're always feeling well. And in this session, I'm Melissa and I will give you some explanation about THR tax. Let's get started. THR. Do you guys know what THR is? According to the Ministry of Manpower, THR is non-wage income that must be paid by employers to workers or their families before religious day atau pendapatan non-upah yang wajib dibayarkan menjelang hari raya keagamaan. And who receive THR? THR received by permanent worker, contract worker, outsourcing, honorary, and freelance. Is THR subject to PPH 21? Yeah, THR is included in the income tax object PPH 21 just like ordinary income and is classified as irregular permanent employee income atau diklasifikasikan sebagai penghasilan tidak teratur atau tidak tetap. Next, progressive rate PPH 21 for THR. So the progressive rate PPH 21 for THR is same as progressive rate PPH 21 pada umumnya. And what about PPH 21 THR under PTKP? If the annual net income plus THR is below the PTKP limit, the THR is not subject to tax. And I give you the formula for calculate the THR tax. And let's solve a case. So Meme is an employee at Melissa's company. She has 8 million rupiah as salary and receive 8 million rupiah as THR. How much PPH 21 from THR that Meme pay? Additional information, Meme is a single woman and unmarried. These are the solution. So we get information from the question, the salary total, THR total, and also she is unmarried. The first step, we calculate the PPH 21 per month. So the salary is 8 million rupiah minus positional cost 400,000 rupiah. How we get positional cost? It's 5% multiplied by salary 8 million rupiah. So we get the net income per month 6 million and 7 million and 600,000 rupiah. And net income per year, we get from net income per month multiplied by 12. So we got 91,200,000 rupiah. Next, we'll calculate the taxable income atau penghasilan kena pajak. We get from total net income per year minus non-taxable income. So it is 91,200,000 rupiah minus 554 million rupiah. Why 54 million rupiah? That's because Meme unmarried and she has no dependent. So we got 37,200,000 rupiah. Next, we calculate the PPH 21 payable in a year progressive tax. So it is 5% multiplied by 37,200,000 rupiah. So we got 1,860,000 rupiah. Why 5%? Because Meme's net income per year is under 60 million rupiah. So we got our PPH 21 payable a year is 1,860,000 rupiah. Next calculation including THR. We all know our salary per month is 8 million rupiah. So salary a year, we multiply 8 million rupiah by 12 months. So we got 96 million rupiah as our salary a year. Plus THR 8 million rupiah. So we got 104 million rupiah as gross income. Reduction. The first step is we calculate the positional cost. We got positional cost from 5% multiplied by gross income. So it is 5% multiplied by 104 million rupiah. So our positional cost 5,200,000 rupiah. Net income a year. Net income a year we got from gross income minus positional cost. And the total is 98,800,000 rupiah. Next, net income a year minus non-taxable income. So it is 98,800,000 rupiah minus 54 million rupiah. So we got 44,800,000 rupiah. And the next one, progressive rate. We got from 5% multiplied by 44,800,000 rupiah. So we got our income tax and THR 2,240,000 rupiah. Okay, so our PPH 21 after being added THR is 2,240,000 rupiah. Next, we calculate our THR tax. So PPH 21 after being added THR minus PPH 21 payable, it is 2,240,000 rupiah minus 1,860,000 rupiah. So we got 380,000 rupiah. Okay guys, that's all from me and thank you so much for watching me. Bye bye.
The next material is about bonus salary. Bonus pay is additional pay given to an employee on top of their regular earnings. It used as a thank you to employees or a team that achieves significant goals. When a company ties bonus to performance, it can encourage employees to reach their goals, which in turn help the company reach its goals. Bonuses may be discretionary or non-discretionary. In other words, they may be paid out and when the company sees fit, or they may be specified in an employment contract or other documentation. So this is a case example of bonus salary. Dian worked at PT DBK and earns a salary of 6 million a month. In March 2021, Dian received a bonus of 5 million rupiah. Every month, Dian pays a pension contribution to the pension fund whose establishment has been approved by the Minister of Finance in amount of 60,000 rupiah. Calculate the PPH Article 21 on Dian bonuses. So this is a solution for our case. For the first one is income tax Article 21 on a year salary. That is 12 multiplied with 60,000 rupiah and we got 72 million rupiah. For possession fee, that is 5% multiplied with 72 million rupiah and we got 3,600,000 rupiah. And annual pension fund, 12 multiplied with 60,000 and we got 720,000 rupiah. So the total is 4,320,000. Taxable income is 67,608,000 deducted with 54 million rupiah. So we got 13,680,000 rupiah. And for income tax Article 21 payable, 5% multiply 13,680,000 rupiah. And the amount is 684,000 rupiah. For the next step, we calculate income tax Article 21 for salary and bonus, 1 year income. Salary a year plus bonus, that is 72 million plus 5 millions. And we got annual gross income, 77 million. For position fee, that is 5% multiply with 77 million rupiah, and we got 3,850,000 rupiah. And for annual pension fund, 720,000 rupiah. So the total is 4,570,000 rupiah. And this is taxable income per year, that is 72,430,000 rupiah, deducted with 54 million rupiah. So we got 18,430,000 rupiah. So income tax Article 21 payable 5% multiply with 18,430,000 rupiah, and we got 921,050 rupiah. And for the last step is income tax Article 21 on bonus income. So this is a formula for income tax Article 21 on bonus, that is PPh Article 21 on a year's salary plus bonus minus PPh Article 21 on a year's salary. And we got 921,500 rupiah minus 684,000 rupiah. So the amount is 237,500 rupiah. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you for watching. We apologize if there is a mistake about our explanation or calculation. So we end with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you all.